just rice and beans.
This is Britney Spears.
So right now I'm at the train station and I'm going by myself. I haven't gone on the train by myself in a while, so this should be fun. Wrinkles doesn't have any vegan cupcakes today. I made it to Santa Monica and I'm walking to the park where Stella and Sonia are having their meetup, and I'm really excited because I haven't seen them since VidCon.
I love this bitch. I love you so much. My baes.
It was so much fun. So many people that are like-minded. Thank you to like Stella and Sonia. Flower Child. I'm on my way back to the train station. So I'm at the station with my mom. She's working.
Go all the way down and then
Make a right. The meetup was really fun. I made a lot of friends. You're eating a ripe banana. That's how vegans eat their bananas. My lips got really big. Like my lower lip gets really big when I eat spicy food. So it looks like I got lip injections.
California African American Museum, the Coliseum, and USC.
I needed to carb the fuck up.